Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. What's up? I hope everybody's doing good. And today I'm back with this look that I created. I wanted to make a look for you guys for like a New Year's Eve. I feel like New Year's Eve, you should always involve like glitter. So I created this look here. It's very affordable for all the products that I use, except there's some that are higher priced, but everything mostly is affordable. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So first is first, I'm going to go in with the Catrice primer. This one's a Prime and Fine. It's very soft. And this primer has become my favorite primer. It's like really soft and silky like on your skin. It feels like really good. And I'm not sick anymore, but you know how like after when you have like all those boogers and moles, like the aftermath of everything, that's what I still have. And I still have like a little cough. It's like horrible. My kids have cough. Like my son has a cough for like 2 weeks. It's just been crazy, but I'm happy to be back and filming for you guys. I'm sorry about my damn chair. It keeps making freaking noise. I haven't put WD-40 on it or anything, so I'm going to try that or just buy a new chair. I'm going to prime my eyelids with this MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I feel like the paint pots or like eye primers work better than the concealer in my opinion. I feel like the concealers crease your eyeshadow. I don't know, that's just what I think. Then I'm just going to take my e.l.f. sponge and then just blend. Sorry if you guys hear noise in the background. They're actually like building a house across the street from me, so they're like banging out there. And for my eyes today, I'm going to go in with this Wetnwild palette. This one is a Rose in the Air. This palette is just so freaking gorgeous. I like it because it has like mattes, it has like shimmers, but it's like right up my alley. Neutrals, browns, you know, all those fun shades. I'm going to be taking this color here, the transition color, and then I'm going to take my Sephora Pro crease brush in number 10. And then I'm just going to put it in my crease. So I'm just going to pack the color on first. That's what I like to do. And then once you get the color that you want, then you can start blending it out. Oh, my voice is so raspy. That's because, you know, I was freaking sick. I was like dying. And I've been drinking like hot tea with like honey and lemon, but that stuff don't work. Like every day, like today's like last night was the first time I drank coffee, you guys. I haven't drank coffee before like in a week. Who am I? And then I'm going to go in with this mustardy shade here. And I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to take the Morphe M506 brush. This one is like nice and small. So that one's going to get like right in the crease. So I'm going to put it like right here in the crease. And of course, I'm going to pack it on first. Then once you get the color that you desire in your crease, just go ahead and start blending it out. Oh yeah, and then my kids are in here too, so they don't have any school. So that's my baby back there talking. Well, he doesn't go to school, but he's in here just talking away because he wants to be with his mama. He's a mama's boy. And I'm just going to actually add one more shade in my crease, like the outer V. And then that's it. It's going to be very simple. And then we're going to do like a little bit of glitter to start the show for like New Year's Eve. So I'm going to take this shade here. It's like a darker chocolate color. And then I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M506 brush only because it's like so little and like little hard dents. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tap it in here. Pack the color on in the outer V of my eye. And then once I have the color out here, I'm just going to kind of blend up like in the crease right here. So that way it kind of all goes together. Go back in with my Sephora crease brush and then just kind of blend it out. And then if you lost a little bit of that brown color, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that little brush from Morphe and then just pack it in right here again. Because it does lose its color when you blend. The Sephora brush again and then just kind of blend it all together. You're going to get that mustardy brown color and then just the Sephora crease brush and then just kind of blend it right here. And then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced glitter glue. And I'm going to put that in the center of my eye, like right here, kind of halfway. And I'm going to use a MAC brush. I'm going to use this MAC brush. I like it because it's dense and flat. It's really hard. So I'm just going to get it on there. And then I'm actually going to just tap it on here. And the star of the show is going to be this NYX Body and Face glitter. And the shade that I have, it's 08. It doesn't say, well, okay, it's 08 bronze. And the lid here. And then I'm going to get that same MAC brush where I got the glue and pick it up on there and then tap it on. I actually might go in with my fingers since I don't have long nails because that actually might pick it up better. Yeah, so it's kind of patchy, so we're going to go in with the with my fingers because I don't have any long nails. So, and then I'm just going to go in with that Morphe, the little brush with that darker chocolate brown color. This one here, and then I'm just slightly gonna put it right here and blend it. You don't want to do too much because then the glitter is gonna fall off, so just very gently. So I went ahead and finished my other eye, so I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna be using the Nars concealer, and this one is in the shade Custard, so I'll give you kind of like that highlight look. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. sponge as always. You guys know that is my favorite sponge ever. And then we'll just let that sit there for a little bit so that way my concealer can bake. We're going to go in with foundation. I'm using the Kokie Cosmetics foundation. This one's a full cover foundation and I am in the shade 60W. So this foundation is like very thick and it's very full coverage. That's what I like. So I'm just going to tap it all over my face. We'll dot it on my face first and then we'll go in and start blending it. And then what I like to do with the rest of the one on the back of my hand, I just get my sponge and then just wipe it off. And then I'm going to go in with my Believe Beauty translucent powder. And I'm going to use this to set under my eyes. And I'm actually going to use my e.l.f. sponge and then apply it under. And I'm going to go in with my Collab powder. This I'm going to apply all over my face. And this one is in the shade Sand Beige. And then I'm just using my MAC fluffy brush to apply that all over. And then I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. tapered brush and then just dust everything off under my eyes. And do you see just how it looks? Just makes it look so pretty. And to bronze, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And this one's in the shade Deep. And then I'm just going to take a Pro Small brush. Number 74, the Sephora one. And then I'm just going to chisel the cheeks a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Blush Trio. This one is in the Pop of Peach. And I'm actually going to use this shade right here. Since the eyes are kind of dramatic, we don't want to put dramatic blush on the face. And then for highlight, we're going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this one is in the shade Precious Petals. And then I'm just going to use my Sigma taper brush, and this one's in the F35. And this one is nothing like too crazy, but it just gives you like a gorgeous, you see, like kind of glow. I'm going to go in and finish the rest of the eyes. I'm just going to take a pencil brush from Sigma. This is an old ass brush, but any pencil brush will work. And then I'm just going to get the transition color from the shade, so this one here and then the chocolate one here. And just put it under my eyes. What I like to do is I like to tap it in first and then blend it. Then lastly, we're going to do the lips. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty lip contour pencil, and this one is in the shade Flirt. And then I'm going to take her lipstick, and this one is in Staycation. This is a pretty nude combination, but this completes the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. It's just a pretty gorgeous look for New Year's Eve if you guys want to go out on a date or celebrate with your family or sit in the sala in the living room to just relax and chill. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys always for supporting me and always watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.